Some time ago, I joined my friend's Unity project. It is a mobile RPG game where you play as a peaceful fox. But the twist is that you have a whole turret strapped to your back, because why not, right? Well, I hope I won't find this animal in real nature. The goal of the game is to explore new islands, collect resources, build and protect your village, and level up your character, which is the fox. So far, we are able to work with our own fox, we have some health, some mana and some experience that we will be able to gain when killing enemies. We also have some special abilities and stuff like that, so we can run around, find some enemies and shoot them with our enormously large turret, which we have on our back. Yep, you can see that we have just leveled up, so we have increased our health, energy, speed and so on. We can also dig some dirt in the ground, where we may find other resources. We can also destroy some trees, so that we can collect some wood. We also have some inventory. You can see that it is showing us that we have a quest, that we should build a merchant building, because large part of the game is to build your own village. Right now we have just some small tents, few little houses, which don't actually do anything, and we have our big chest in which we can store anything that we don't want to lose. The part of the game on which I am mostly working right now are the dungeons, where players will be able to kill enemies and loot a bunch of stuff. So we have some enemies as usual, we also have some more advanced enemies that will be able to teleport, like this lich. So we can run around, we have some lava pools into which we can fall, we also have some other traps, such as these spike floors. You can see that when I run around them, these spikes trigger. Here we have another room which is full of some spinning blade traps, and at the end we should also be able to find a chest where we may find some rare items. We also have some flying enemies, as you can see, some big green guy over here. We have some spinning blade in the floor. We also have a mimic that might also drop some rare items. We also have some nice moving firewalls, room that is full of spikes. And if you are careful and don't die while exploring the dungeon, you may also find some secret rooms, like this one, so you can see some cracked wall, and when I get into it, we can see a secret room with a chest. We also have a room with some strong wind, so as you can see when I move into it, we are moving really slowly, so it is the best to try to avoid it. This is just part of all of the stuff that we already have in the game, but the game is still in early stages of development. We plan to release it for Android as well as for iOS. So let me know what you think of the game. If you have any ideas, you would change anything, let me know down in the comments. I also need to give credit to my friend Nico, who is working on the game with me and made really large amount of work. I hope that this video was useful, or rather interesting. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in next videos. Bye! Thanks for watching this video till the end. If you are looking for a Unity, C# or Bolt tutor, then I am here for you, so feel free to send me a message to my Gmail and take a look at my website for more info. I can help you with your personal projects or teach you anything about game development you would want to know. You are welcome.